If you're in a room with 9 other people, 8.5 of them are wearing the wrong size bra. But fear not, in this video I'm going to be revealing the 5 bras that every person should own in their collection and which bras you simply can't live without. The first bra, fan favourite, is a t-shirt bra. Now what is a t-shirt bra? A t-shirt bra is basically a bra that is seam free. It can be padded, it also can be non-padded. These bras work so well because you can wear them under anything. So you don't have to think about your bra choices. You can get all different styles in a t-shirt bra and they come for all different breast shapes. The next bra you want to have in your collection is a non-wired bra, not a bralette. Now a non-wired bra still is cut size, band size, and what you'll find is it still offers you a good level of support versus a bralette, which comes in small, medium, large, extra large, and they're not known for offering a lot of support. Now I find that wire-free bras are a great choice for people that don't like wires or prefer to have a non-wired bra when they're watching TV or running errands. Also, I've heard this before, that people like non-wired bras just to have something on if somebody knocks at the door and they don't necessarily want to be bra-free. The next bra that you should have in your collection is the unlined bra. Now the unlined bra is great if you live in a hot climate and you don't want the extra padding or you want a more natural shape. Unlined bras tend to have cut and sew seams, which means that they can be visible under tight fitting tops, but if you don't wear anything tight and close fitting, they are great bras to have. Now what you'll tend to find with your unlined bras is they tend to be a lot prettier because they have more lace, they have more embellishments, and if you're after something pretty and stylish yet well-fitting, an unlined bra is for you. Now sports bras are a great bra to have in your collection. Doesn't matter whether you're walking or running, even if you have a job where you're on your feet a lot of the day or you have a job that's a lot of manual labour that's involved, a sports bra is a good option for you because sports bras are there to help support you and offer comfort. They're also designed to wick moisture away from the body and they stop chafing. Why would you want to use your everyday bra and put your everyday bra under that much stress when a sports bra is designed and built to do that for you? When it comes to a sports bra, they also have wires or no wires, so the option is yours and you can get a great supportive sports bra with no wire. The next bra you should have in your collection is a strapless bra. Yes, a strapless. Now straplesses don't just work for strap-free dresses, they also work for strappy dresses. If you have a square neck top or even a boat neck top, a strapless bra is an ideal choice. Now strapless bras can be the bane of all of our existence because of the way that they fit. Once you find a good strapless bra, which I can do a video on if you like, comment below, it becomes a must-have piece of clothing.